What's up everybody, this is Rahman. I am back with another new tutorial for you. In this tutorial, I will show you that how to fix faded photo gorgeous. By following these tips, you will be able to fix your faded or dull photo. Okay, I open this photo in Photoshop. First, click on this layer and make it copy by pressing Ctrl+G button. Now go into camera raw filter. Now we are going to do color corrections. I will down the temperature into -5. Tint is +3. We will down the exposure a little bit. Highlight -4 as well. Clarity is +10 is good, and vibrance +15. Now go into HSL menu, go into hue. Red, orange and yellow are major colors of this photo, that's why we will work here on these colors. Go into saturation, saturate red, orange and yellow colors. I am increasing green color here because there have a lot of green things, and green color is the sign of natural refreshment. They have some blue colors, that's why I am increasing blue saturation. They have also some purple color, I think. Okay, we are done here. Make a new layer. Select gradient tool. Choose golden color. And drag it from top of this photo. Select soft light and down its opacity. Look, it's made this photo too good than before. Select the second layer and go into gradient map from this menu below. Select this violent orange preset. I am changing the colors into ash blue. Select soft light and down its opacity. Um, 45% is good. We are selecting these 3 layers and making it group by pressing Ctrl+G button, and press Alt Ctrl Shift and E buttons together to make that layer what we had worked on this photo from start to now. Select this layer and go into color lookup, and I am selecting 3 strip. Look, it's looking more gorgeous now. I am selecting these layers and making it group, and select these 2 groups and make another group. Press Alt Ctrl Shift and E buttons together to make that layer again, and go into camera raw filter for the last time. Now we will add some effects. Go into effects menu and add some vignette effect. I am going to add some sharpness. Now go into tone curve menu. Add a point here and up this point over until you get your tone. Don't up this too high cause it's look horrible. We are done here. Select this layer and this group both and make a group. Now see, this is our faded photo before and this is after. Now this photo is looking so gorgeous. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to make sure you get notified when I will upload a new tutorial. I'm MQ Rahman signing out.